Welcome to the Unova Excel for HR course. In this chapter, we'll learn how to use some of the most useful date functions in Microsoft Excel. Today, month, year, and date diff. Let's get started. To begin, open your Excel sheet that contains employee data with date fields such as date of joining, date of birth, or exit date. Let's start with the Today function. The Today function displays the current date automatically. Click on an empty cell and type equals today open bracket close bracket, then press enter. Excel will show today's date, and it updates automatically every time you open the file. This function is often used to calculate how long an employee has been with the company or to check upcoming work anniversaries. Next, let's look at the month function. The month function extracts the month from a date. For example, if cell A2 contains an employee's joining date, typing equals month open bracket A2 close bracket will return a number between 1 and 12, representing the month of joining. This is very useful for filtering or analyzing data based on joining months, such as tracking how many employees joined in a specific month. Now, let's move on to the year function. The year function extracts the year from a date. If you type equals year open bracket A2 close bracket, Excel will return the year part of the date in cell A2. This is helpful when creating yearly reports, calculating increments, or summarizing data based on joining or appraisal years. Finally, let's explore the date function. The date function calculates the difference between two dates in terms of years, months, or days. For example, if cell A2 contains the date of joining and B2 contains the exit date, you can type equals dated if open bracket A2, B2, Y close bracket to find the total number of years the employee worked. You can also use M for months or D for days to get results in different time units. This function is especially useful for calculating employee tenure or leave eligibility. That's it. You now know how to work with date functions in Microsoft Excel to automate and analyze employee timelines effectively. You can track employee tenure, work anniversaries, and service duration directly inside Unova HRMS, where date-based calculations are automatically maintained in employee records. Thank you for watching.